love, welcome to this deep, relaxing meditation. And for this meditation today, I invite you to check in with yourself if you would like to find a comfortable seated position, or if you would rather lay down and bring your body in connection with the ground. And start by looking around into your space where you are right now. When you feel comfortable, you may gently close your eyes or find a soft gazing point in front of you. And turn your awareness inwards. Taking a deep inhale towards your belly. And exhale, maybe you would like to sigh it out. Another deep inhale. And exhale, sigh it out. Another inhale to the belly. And exhale, sigh it out. Maybe you want to place both hands on your heart. Send yourself some gratitude for making this space and this time for you, for your well-being, and taking care of yourself in this way. Gently place your hands back onto your thighs or somewhere else that feels comfortable. Notice how your body is feeling right now. Is there any tension in one or maybe more body parts? While you are observing your body, I invite you to breathe towards the more tensed parts in your body, sending your breath towards it. Inhaling, and with each exhale, releasing and letting your body soften in this moment. You are safe, and you are held by yourself and the earth. With every breath you take, try to soften your body, allowing the tension and all your worries, your thoughts to fall away. Notice here how your body parts are slowly getting heavier, feeling the ground underneath you. Maybe you want to find a focal point for yourself, either your third eye or your heart space. And see if you can allow yourself to let the world around you and all your thoughts to just glide away. You don't need all the answers right now. Trust that everything will flow how it is supposed to. So release whatever is keeping you in your head. See if you can allow yourself to soften. Breathe in calming, relaxing energy, and exhaling, releasing what no longer serves you. Try to relax your body, your shoulders, your facial muscles, your jaw. And then I invite you to visualize a place of calmness, a place that brings you ease and rest. Maybe it is somewhere in nature. Laying on the beach and listening to the ocean perhaps. Or somewhere in a forest, observing the leaves. Maybe it is a place you know, where you haven't been for a while. Or maybe it's an imaginary place. Try to bring yourself here with your mind. And if nothing comes to you in this moment, see if you can create a space where you feel calm and safe. Feel the energy of this place, whether it exists or not. Try if you can really soak the energy into your system. Allow this place to hold you. What can you notice here? Is there anything with you that wants to communicate and give you any signs? Are there any birds or animals, plants or elements like water and fire? Is there anything that catches your eye or your attention? That wants to speak to you through this space? Allow yourself to really soak up this moment and these surroundings. Feel all that is here with you. Maybe you would like to take something with you before you leave this place. Something that reminds you of this safe and sacred and calm space you created. as a reminder that you can always come back here. Maybe you want to ask this place if there is anything that wants to come with you. Maybe it's a feather or a plant or flower. Maybe it's a shell or a piece of wood. And if there's nothing that wants to come back with you, that's also okay. When you feel ready, you may take this item with you and slowly, gently return back into the space where you are in right now. Drawing in a deep inhale and exhale, release, arriving back in your body. Maybe you want to place your hands on your heart again. And maybe you would like to visualize yourself placing this item on your altar or safe space within your home. Then gently start moving your body, awakening and coming back into the space. When you feel ready, you may gently open your eyes again, and I welcome you back into this space. Take in an inhale and bring your arms towards the sky, and exhale. Bring them in front of your third eye for clear and loving thoughts. Bring them in front of your heart space for clear and loving intentions. And bring them in front of your mouth for clear and loving communication. Sending out wonderful energy for all beings everywhere. Thank you, beautiful soul, for practicing with me today, for giving yourself this space and time to find this moment of deep relaxation. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. And before you go, I would like to invite, this feels good for you, to like and comment on this video. Maybe you would like to share it with someone you love. It would really mean the world to us if you find the time to do this. I wish you all the best and hope to see you soon. Bye, love.